Hi guys, let's make this beautiful garden salad. In a bowl, add a bunch of lettuce and roughly chop them into bite-sized chunks. Then thinly slice a cucumber into bite-sized slices and transfer it to the bowl. Thinly slice half of a red onion and separate the rings to form individual onions. Then you transfer it to the bowl as well. Grab your cherry tomatoes and cut them into quarters. Then transfer them to the bowl. Grate a carrot and transfer it to the bowl. Grab the bell peppers. I prefer to use the red, green and yellow bell peppers, but I did not have the green ones, so I'll just use the ones I have. Thinly slice them into strips and add them to the bowl. Let's make the orange vinaigrette. In a mason jar, add 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of macadamia oil, mustard, salt, and pepper. Shake the mason jar to emulsify the salad dressing and combine the oil and the vinegar. Take the salad dressing and adjust it to your preferred taste. If you like the salad dressing to be more tangy, you add more vinegar, and if you like it to be more mellow, you add more of the oil. Mix your salad together and then add the dressing. That is beautiful. I had this salad with some baked tandoori chicken legs. The recipe of the tandoori chicken legs is linked above. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.